Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Okta to Google Authenticator. All right. I do assume that you already installed Google Authenticator on your phone. Okay. In here, just log into your Okta account and go to the top right and then click on admin. Okay. Once you click on admin, you'll be landed to this page. Okay. Just go ahead over to the left panel and click on security. Now click on authenticators. Okay. Once done, just click on add authenticator. And then here you'll be able to find Google Authenticator. Okay, just easily click on add right here. As you can see, I already added it. So just basically click on add and then this page will close. Okay, and you will notice that Google Authenticator right here has been added. Now all you need to do next is just click on enrollment right here at the top. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, if you want to, you can go ahead and add in or create a new policy. If not, just go ahead over to the default policy, click on actions, edit right here. Here we have Google Authenticator. Now you can go ahead and choose optional or required. Okay, maybe optional, and then update policy. Okay, once that's done, go back to your Okta dashboard right here. Okay, now go ahead and tap on your profile or click on your profile right here at the top right. Now go ahead and click on settings. Okay, wait for it to load, and once it loads, you will have Google Authenticator right here. So basically just click on setup, wait for it to load, and once it loads, first up, it will need your Okta Verify code, okay, which is from your Okta Verify app. Just go ahead and enter that code in here. And then once done, in this page, just click on Google Authenticator Setup, okay? And as you can see, it now got a QR code. So what we'll do next is just open up our phone's Google Authenticator. Okay, in here, as you can see here, I have my phone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up Google Authenticator right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click on the plus sign right here at the bottom right. Now tap on scan QR code. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and scan this QR code on my screen. There you go. And as you can see here at the very bottom of the list, here we have the Okta account added. And that is it. You can now then go ahead and click on next right here. Next, and then just enter the code from your Google Authenticator. Click on verify, wait for it, and once done, Google Authenticator has now been added. It says here you have successfully enrolled Google Authenticator. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.